Hello kids, this is Aparna Chavan from Poddar International School, Baramati. So student, today we will learn new topic from third EVS, that is care and compassion. So student, we have noticed that people face challenges when they are unable to see or speak. Similarly, there are people who cannot hear or walk properly. Such people require care and help. Let us understand how can we help such people in their day-to-day life. We often meet people who are differently able. They may not able to see, hear or speak. Some have trouble in walking, while others have trouble in learning. Such people face difficulties and often need help. So how can we help them? Let us see some examples. A person who cannot walk takes help from another person or uses a wheelchair. A person who cannot see may need help while crossing the road. A person who is unable to speak may require help to communicate. So student, we should be patient with such people and help them. I would like to tell about Louis Braille. Louis Braille lost his eyesight when he was 3 years old. Due to his keen interest in reading and writing, he developed a method of writing known as Braille. It is a form of writing language in which each letter of alphabet is represented by raised dot. People who have lost their eyesight feel these dots with their fingertips to read. Look at this picture. She was one of the differently abled person. Her name was Helen Keller. Helen Keller lost her ability to see and hear when she was only 19 months old. However, she overcome these challenges and inspired people across the world. Student, you can find more about her by reading her biography, that is Helen Keller, The Story of My Life. Children, did you know one interesting thing? India has published its first sign language dictionary. It consists of 3,000 words. The dictionary will help people who cannot speak express themselves effectively. Let us talk about elderly people. Who are they? Like your grandma and grandpa. When people get old, they become weak. There are some people who cannot walk properly or see or hear well due to age. It becomes difficult for them to remember things like taking medicine, eating their meal. There are old people who often feel lonely because their other family members are busy with their work or school. So how can we help them? We can help elderly people by spending time with them, make them feel happy, help them to take medicine, help them to cross the road. So it is important to make them feel that we love and care for them. Children, most of the people in our country are very poor. So it's very important to care for the needy. There are many needy families in India. The elder member of family work hard to earn money. Very often what they earn is not enough to fulfill the needs of their family. Therefore, children from such family work hard and support their parent. They do work in such places as tea stall, restaurant, factories, beg, collect garbage and so on. These children cannot go to school or play with their friends. They may not have proper houses to live, food to eat, toys to play, nice clothes to wear, or they may not able to go to school or play with their friends. So how can we help them? We should share our toys and books with such needy children. Help them in study. Share our food with poor people. We can bring a smile on their face by being nice and kind. Apart from people, animals and birds are also very important in our life. So how can we help them? We should take care and love animals. We can keep water feeder for birds during summer season. We should not throw stones at animals or trouble them in any way. If we come across an injured or a sick animal, we can take them to the veterinary doctor. Student, remember, taking care of others and being kind are act of compassion. Helping others without expecting a reward in return is a good deed. Good deeds help us become good human beings. So children, take care of yourself, the elders and the people who are in need. And don't forget to take care of animals. Thank you.